Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get the dynamic faces in Roblox. So if you want to get dynamic faces like this and just follow me in this video till the end. So you can see that this face is animating with if I turn on the face cam from here, you can see that it will start syncing. If I just say that anything, so it starts syncing. So it's a dynamic face. So how can you get this dynamic face in Roblox? Fine. So to get this, guys, you have to open a browser and search for roblox.com. Once you here, search for a dynamic face and choose the marketplace. So to get the dynamic face, guys, or to use on Roblox, first of all, you have to select head from the category. And in head, guys, you will mainly get this dynamic face, and also you have to set the price, or you have to sort it by low to high price. Now you will get this now you can see that this dynamic face, so you to use this, or you can also get these faces if you want. So these are the faces, but I'm talking about this face. So you can get this, just click on it. It is completely free. You don't need to use any. Just click on buy and click on get now. Now, as you can see, let me try on how it looks. So you can buy as well. These are the faces that you can try out. Now you can see, but it's not looking on my face because my body is of meal. So you can try these out, and so you have to spend some Robux. It is not that much expensive. You can try these out. And if you want to try the dynamic more faces, like you can try these faces. These are the dynamic faces. You can get it. It's free of cost. You can try. And also you can see that fine. So the one I had in this game, have in the game, this face. If you want to get this face, the hell of this. Let me come out of yeah. If you want to get this face, just let me open the avatar and let me show you how to use it. So you have to go to head and body and go to style. Go to head and body and style and choose the style from here. So it will comes with dynamic faces. You have to first of all get the dynamic faces. That's how in the way that I have told you. And once you get, you have to select from here. So you can select this one, and it's named by chiseled good look. So you can search for it. Let me search for it. So I can give you a link of this style. So it really looks dynamic when we see it, when we look at it. This good looks. You have to go search by this keyword and open it. Set price low to high and choose from in head and bot. Now you can see these are the faces you can try out. Man face. This is a man face you can try, and this is completely free. So this face you can try out, and it is named by Chisel Good Looks. This is the main face you can try out. So once you guys equip this face, now to use it, so to equip or to use it, you have to go to Avatar. Let me repeat it again. Go to Avatar and just go to head and body and go to select the style, and from style you have to choose your the face that you want to equip. Once you equip, just open a game, and when you just let me turn off the mic so it is syncing with my voice. Now you can see when I hover over his eyes, it's start blinking. So and you can see the its face is looks dynamic, fine. So yeah, that's how you can get it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.